Quick Mount PV's tile replacement mount is fast to install and requires no cutting or grinding of any tiles. The mount features Quick Mount PV's patented elevated water seal technology. It is available in common flat tile and both W and S-shaped curved tile profiles. The mount can be oriented to either the left or to the right depending on rafter location. To install, first remove the tile you wish to replace with the mount. You can also remove the adjacent tiles depending on where your rafter is located. Or you can easily prop up adjacent tiles using roofing bars. Locate the rafter where you wish to install the mount. Mark the rafter location to correctly position the mount. The measured distance from the bottom of the tile to the post hole is 8 3/4 inches. Using a straight edge placed at the bottom of the adjacent tiles, you can measure this distance and mark off the post's vertical location. Properly locate your mount on the roof. Remember, the mount's orientation can be flipped for versatility. The bolt holes line up with the rafter, and the post groove lines up with your marked off vertical post location. Using the mount as a template, mark off your penetration points with a crayon or light drilling. Drill 2 pilot holes using an 1/8 inch drill bit. Roofers and solar installers use a variety of methods to flash mounting penetrations on tile roofs. In this video, we will highlight 2 waterproofing techniques, the felt overlap and the 3-course tar methods. Here, we are cutting out a piece of the existing felt paper overlap so that we will be able to slide the mount up underneath and bib the felt around it. We'll show you some alternative methods to waterproofing the subflashing in a moment. Add a sealant compatible with the underlayment to your pilot holes. Optionally, you can place an upside-down U of sealant to the bottom side of the subflashing. Then line up the mount over the pilot holes. If you are using the lapped paper waterproofing method just discussed, make sure to tuck the flashing up under the cut felt overlap. If the felt paper overlap is not on the course of the mount, you can add an additional piece of felt to extend the overlap down to the flashing and bib around it. Make sure this cut piece of felt extends at least 2 inches up under the next layer of felt overlapping. Remember, the felt overlap is utilized for waterproofing. Never cut open the bottom layer of felt, as this will leave the roof vulnerable to water damage. Bolt down the mount using a T30 Torx bit. With the mount bolted in place, another popular option to waterproofing the subflashing is the 3-course method. Popular in tile roofing, this process uses roofing tar and mesh to provide a seal at the underlayment level. Overlay the subflashing with tar 1 to 2 inches past the flashing's edges. Most 3-coursing tar products require a layer of mesh strips over the wet tar, and sometimes an additional layer of tar on top. Be sure to research compatibility with roofing tar and underlayment materials when using this 3-course method. With your mount bolted down and properly waterproofed using any of the methods shown, insert the post into the groove on top of the mount. Using the 5/16 inch serrated cap screw, the post slides into the base mount groove to allow you to line up your post with the hole in the replacement tile flashing. Install your replacement tile over the post and mount. Replace any other tiles you have removed or lifted. Be sure to allow tiles to seat properly into place before tightening the post. Once tiles are fit back into place, a pair of channel locks may be used to secure the post into the mount. Last, add your EPDM rubber cone to the top of the post. The flashing is designed to fit the post snugly. However, an optional ring of sealant can be applied where the post meets the flashing before installing the rubber cone if desired. Attach any L-footer rail to the top of the post using the hardware that comes with the mount. Be sure that the sealing washer properly seals the post under the rail. With Quick Mount PV's tile replacement mount, installing a PV array on a flat or curved tile rooftop has never been faster, easier, and more waterproof.